Hi YouTubers, this is Superman G, come back at you one more again. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a shortcut to your websites. Whether it be your favorite website, your most frequently website, this will all work the same. Now, this came from someone whose computer I repaired, and they were asking me about how to put the icons back on the desktop where all they had to do was just click on it, and it actually took them to the website that they want to visit instead of them opening up a web browser and they had to type in the web address. So I'm going to show you how to do that. It's relatively simple. If you're an expert, someone who knows their way around a computer, you probably most likely already know how to do this, so this necessarily would not apply to you. But for those who are beginners, novices, who may not know how to do this, that's what this video is more directed to. As I've said before, I'm doing a lot of videos for people who are novices or beginners so they can have some knowledge on how to use their computer in a more efficient way for them. So what you're going to do is you're going to come over to your desktop, and on any blank portion of the screen you're going to use your right button mouse and click that, and this shortcut menu will appear. You're going to come to where it says new, come over to where it says shortcut. You're going to left click on shortcut. This is the create shortcut wizard, and it asks what item would you like to create a shortcut for. This wizard helps you to create shortcuts to local or network programs, files, folders, computers, or internet addresses. So it goes beyond just websites. You can do programs, files, folders, and either other computers. And all you do is type the location of the item. We're just going to worry about websites. We're not going to worry about network programs, files, folders, or any of that stuff. So you want to make sure you type out the entire web address, including the www dot format. I know once you get in the browser, you can pretty much just type everything in and not have to worry about the www dot format. But when you're creating a shortcut, you need to put in the full web address, because if you don't, this function will not direct you to where you need to go to. So let's say we want to go to www.wftv.com, and then you click next to continue. You can click browse if you want to browse to the program or files or folders or even computers that you're wanting to create a shortcut for. But as I stated, we're just going to do the websites for now. You're going to click next. What would you like to name the shortcut? Type a name for this shortcut. You can give this any name you want. So if you know the name of the website that you want to go to, you can just give it a quick name, or you can give it a name that you can remember. In this case, this website is about the news, so I'm just going to type in news. You click finish, and here it is. Now, here's the icon itself. When you click on it, it should take you directly to the website. And as you can see, it popped up. And that's pretty much it. And you can add as many shortcuts here as you deem necessary for your purposes. You can type in www. If you like shopping, type in Kohl's. Type in shopping, click finish, shopping, and there's Kohl's. Now if you now sometimes both windows will pop up, and all you do is just close one out if you're not going to be using that website anymore. But as you can see, it works. And as I've stated before, you can type in as many of these shortcuts as you want. Family shopping, click that, and there's Walmart. It's a very convenient feature to have, especially if you are one who doesn't type very well. This can actually save you a lot of time by not typing in all those web addresses and such. I hope this helps you all out. You all take care. be safe, and peace out.